We all want our children to do well in sport. At some point, we will probably ask the question, what is one thing that will improve my child's soccer ability? Ask 10 people and you might get 10 answers. I'll give you my answer, and it's not more soccer drills. Because probably your child plays a lot of soccer already. Is more soccer really the answer? Or is it your child becoming a better athlete, a more rounded individual? My firm belief is that one thing that will drive huge improvement in your child's soccer ability and their well-being would actually be to add another sport. Why? Well, the three main reasons I have for this are crossover, variety and fun, and athletic development. When your child plays a multitude of sports, so many different skills will cross over. This crossover of skills will improve their overall athletic development, as well as soccer-specific skills. If we compare soccer and basketball, for example, some core soccer skills are dribbling, passing, and shooting. If your child also played basketball, they would improve agility, balance, scanning, and coordination. But these four skills could just as easily be placed under soccer. Different sports have crossover skills that can benefit your child's soccer ability. Variety and fun is huge. I would argue that fun is the core reason why kids should and do play sports. By providing a variety of activities, they will be more mentally enriched. After 3 soccer sessions a week, it might be hard to motivate a child to go practice scanning, but a quick game of basketball, even if done at home, could train this area in a fun way without them even knowing. Not to mention, it's just fun. And I believe if kids are having fun, then they're learning. Take a look at how these basketball players jump. Imagine a striker being able to jump like that to head in a goal. It's not likely you would ever train jumping in the same way in soccer. Different sports train different elements of the body different ways. Playing rugby might condition a player to better deal with the physical nature of soccer. Leg strength will improve, impacting on how strong on the ball they are or how fast they might sprint. Playing different sports builds athleticism. I'll finish up by saying that a child should never be forced into an activity they don't want to do just to improve them. It should be about providing opportunities for them to have fun and flourish, and realising that they don't need 10 soccer training sessions a week. They just need a variety of activities to enrich their lives and to have fun.